Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Jio Financial Services launches beta version of Jio Finance app, successful launch of Agnibaan rocket by Agnikul Cosmos. OpenAI expands GPT-4o features for free users. Microsoft expands AI chatbot support for Indian languages. Zomato revives landing ambition. Silent layoffs gripping Indian IT sector. Truecaller launches AI call scanner and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Jio Financial Services unveils the beta version of its Jio Finance app on Wednesday. The app provides users with UPI, digital banking, and mutual fund loan services, features instant digital account opening for quick and efficient bank account setup, includes a Jio Payment Bank account feature for streamlined bank management. Agnikul Cosmos, a Chennai-based space startup, successfully launched its Agnibaan rocket. Features the world's first single-piece 3D printed semi-cryogenic Agnilat engine. ISRO congratulates Agnikul Cosmos on the milestone achievement. Previous launch attempts were aborted, making this launch a significant milestone. OpenAI announces that free ChatGPT users can now access GPT-4o features. GPT-4o offers data analysis, image-based questions, and chart analysis. Compared to GPT-4, GPT-4o is faster and improves text, vision, and audio capabilities, reduces latency in voice interaction, and understands tone and background noises. Microsoft is expanding its AI chatbot for Microsoft 365 to support new Indian regional languages. New languages include Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, and Telugu for better user accessibility. Copilot support extended to Telegram and Microsoft launch for Android. Enhanced language support facilitates proper understanding and response generation in regional languages. Zomato is re-entering the landing space after a hiatus, engaging with multiple NBFCs aimed at providing working capital loans to partner restaurants. Zomato will operate as an LSP, sourcing loans from partners and disbursing them. The company will charge a fee based on its arrangement with the lender. Silent layoffs are impacting the Indian IT sector, affecting over 20,000 employees. Employees like Akash recount facing termination or voluntary resignation options with reduced payouts. Akash highlights the difficulty of finding new employment amidst market challenges. Severance pay funds are depleting for affected employees, leading the dependency on family support. Truecaller introduces the world's first AI call scanner for scam detection in voice calls, designed to combat AI-generated voice scam by differentiating between human and AI synthesized voices. Initially available for Truecaller premium users on Android in the US, planned expansion to India and other key markets in the future. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.